Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XDC from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Bitrue and want to move it to Coinbase for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase. You'll need XDC in your Bitrue wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase where you want to receive it. XDC is the native token of the Shin-Fin network, so ensure you're sending it to a compatible wallet on Coinbase. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your XDC balance and click on it to access withdrawal options. Step 2. Select the Withdraw or Send button for XDC. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to your wallet, and copy the XDC deposit address. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Step 3. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. XDC typically uses the Shin-Fin network, so choose that if asked. Double-check the address to avoid sending to the wrong place. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll need to verify it with two-factor authentication for security. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And that's it. Once it arrives on Coinbase, you can check your balance and start trading or holding. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time. Remember, crypto prices and processes can change, so always stay updated. This video is for educational purposes only.